Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today we keep going with the alphabet, learning vocabulary by the alphabet. So today we are the letter E, my E, not your E. So we are going to see 25 words starting with E. There's a bit of everything, noun, verbs, pronoun, adjective, everything. Everything to have a good French. For this week's video on Monday we saw imparfait versus passé composé. And tomorrow we're gonna see 10 expressions starting with A. As usual, you can grab the PDF for this lesson on my website, theperfectfrench.com. Numéro 1, isoler. Isoler, to isolate. It's very close to the English one. Isoler. Nous devons nous isoler. Nous devons nous isoler. I actually wrote this lesson a few weeks ago. And I guess I was really inspired by the current event, but sadly it's still on. So I guess we still have to do that. Nous devons nous isoler. Numéro 2, une île. Une île. Can you hear how I pronounce the E longer? Île. This is because when there's a letter with accent circonflexe, the little at, we have to pronounce it longer. I have a video about this topic, I will put it in the description box. And for the sentence, la Nouvelle-Zélande est divisée en deux îles. Link. La Nouvelle-Zélande est divisée en deux îles. Another island, l'Irlande. L'Irlande. En Irlande, les gens conduisent à gauche. En Irlande, les gens conduisent à gauche. Then we have l'Islande. L'Islande. L'Islande est connue pour ses paysages incroyables. L'Islande est connue pour ses paysages incroyables. Un iceberg. Iceberg. So it's not really a E, it's an I. We pronounce it the same way in English. Un iceberg. Les icebergs sont faits de glace. Next one. Imaginez. Imaginez. I was really inspired for this one. Imagine quand on pourra enfin aller dehors. Imagine quand on pourra enfin aller dehors. Next one, ici. Ici, that means here. C'est ici que j'ai grandi. C'est ici que j'ai grandi. Next one, il. Il. So il can be he or it. We don't really have a difference in French, it's the same word. Il a plu toute la journée. Il a plu toute la journée. An adjective this time, intelligent, intelligente. Intelligent, intelligente. So masculin, féminin. If you don't know the rules, I will also put a video in the description box. It means smart. Mon chien est le plus intelligent. Mon chien est le plus intelligent. Next one, une idée. Une idée. Idée. Simply an idea. J'ai une idée géniale. J'ai une idée géniale. Une invitation. Say more than in English. Une invitation. As-tu reçu mon invitation? As-tu reçu mon invitation? Immédiatement. Immediately. Immédiatement. We don't pronounce the E. Immédiatement. If you haven't watched my video how to sound like a French native speaker, that's one of the topics, the middle E that we skip. I will also put it in the description box. Immédiatement. J'aimerais que cela soit fait immédiatement. J'aimerais que cela soit fait immédiatement. Next one, imprimer. Imprimer. Pouvez-vous imprimer cela pour moi? Pouvez-vous imprimer cela pour moi? A very interesting one, un incendie. Un incendie. So we have two different words in French. I don't think you have one in English. So we have un incendie, it's a fire. But it's not the fire that you have in your fireplace or any controlled fire. Un incendie is really when the fire just burns down everything, okay? So it can be un incendie in a house, in a forest, or anything like that. I don't think you have a word for that in English, as I always hear a fire. So if we see it in a sentence, l'incendie a détruit une grande partie de la forêt. L'incendie a détruit une grande partie de la forêt. Next one, l'Italie. L'Italie. On peut manger de délicieuses pizzas en Italie. On peut manger de délicieuses pizzas en Italie. Italie. Next one, un inconnu, une inconnue. Un inconnu, une inconnue. So this one changes a bit depending if it's a man or if it's a woman. That simply means a stranger. And as you probably heard that as a kid as well, we can say ne parle pas aux inconnus. Ne parle pas aux inconnus. Now we have un infirmier, une infirmière. Un infirmier, une infirmière. So the ending change. Infirmier, infirmière. It's a nurse. Les infirmiers font un travail remarquable. Les infirmiers font un travail remarquable. Then we have l'insuline. L'insuline. L'insuline a été inventée au Canada. L'insuline a été inventée au Canada. Interdire, to forbid. Interdire. Il est interdit de fumer ici. Il est interdit de fumer ici. Next one, intense. Intense. Ce café est intense. Ce café est intense. Illisible. Illisible, unreadable. Ton écriture est illisible. Ton écriture est illisible. Next one, same one that in English, l'Iran. Different pronunciation. L'Iran. L'Iran. L'Iran compte 83 millions d'habitants. L'Iran compte 83 millions d'habitants. L'ivoire. L'ivoire. Ivory. Les défenses de l'éléphant sont faites d'ivoire. Les défenses de l'éléphant sont faites d'ivoire. Another word that's exactly the same, un igloo. Igloo. J'aimerais beaucoup dormir dans un igloo. J'aimerais beaucoup dormir dans un igloo. Very useful one, un instant. Un instant, a moment. Donne-moi juste un instant, s'il te plaît. Donne-moi juste un instant, s'il te plaît. Give me just a moment, please. So if you hear it well, and I really made sure that it was very clear when I pronounced the word, usually word with E link with the word before. So un igloo, aux inconnus. This is very important for your pronunciation. The link that we do all the time with all the words. That's it. There was 25 words starting with E with sentences. Don't forget to get the PDF so you can review. Don't forget also to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, it really helped me. Leave me a comment if you have a question. You can contact me on my Instagram, my Facebook page, and this YouTube channel. I try to answer all the comments and all the messages I get. And I will see you soon for another lesson.